everybody, Project 127 here. Here's Southwestern's 10 brand new 2024 Vision with the new roof cap. I don't know if any of you have seen this. I'm guessing you have. It's been a couple months since they brought it out. And there's one of the oldest CEs they have. We just started up, a great bus. Oh look, it's got the QM4 ID. So we have the QM4. It smells like a brand new Vision here. Well, obviously it is. And we've got some, yeah, so I'm surprised to see that they got some. Well, besides the back two seats. See the mileage. 600 miles, wow. Can't love that brake noise. But yeah, this is 10 for Southwestern. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.